The end is near for Deep Thought, the abandoned boat left stranded on Milwaukee's lakefront since October. Now, the vessel is still not out of the water, but as people gather in the city to honor its existence with a so-called funeral, our Catherine Minik has more on that from the lakefront.
Funerals are supposed to be a time where people say goodbye. Many have gathered near the abandoned boat on Lake Michigan's shoreline after city leaders said it would be removed this week. But it's still here.
You see me wearing black today. This is an ending. It is time to say goodbye of sorts. We don't know when that's going to be.
Alex Minik is one of those giving a send-off to Deep Thought, the boat that's captivated people in Milwaukee. The vessel has been here since its Mississippi-based owners ran out of fuel and left it on the shoreline in October. On Wednesday, Milwaukee Mayor Cavalier Johnson said an anonymous donor would fund a local salvage company to remove it, ending the nautical nonsense.
And to have, a nuisance like this on the beach is not a good look for Milwaukee.
In its supposed final days afloat, those who've appreciated the boat's presence gathered for a celebration on Saturday. They say Deep Thought, in one way or another, has brought all hands on deck in a unique way for the city.
The cliche is every ending is a new beginning. I hope that this boat and these kind of absurd get-togethers create some energy around people finding different ways to connect and play.
Some of the crews that were dedicated to getting this boat out of the water have cited wintry conditions and a difficult location as to why it hasn't happened yet. When it does, we'll update you. Reporting near Bradford Beach, I'm Catherine Minik, CBS 58 News.
Now, the company behind the boat's removal estimated workers have spent about 100 hours and near $25,000 on removal efforts.